Hello friends, welcome to Matt. In this video we are going to discuss about assets. Assets are basically things which helps to generate the income or which have resale value in a future. Usually we call this assets. Assets is very essential to run the business. We'll see the meaning. Assets are economic resources owned by a business or individual. Assets represent value of ownership that convert into cash. Cash itself asset. Here the word mention economic resources which generate the income for the business. Usually we call this economic resources. So assets is an economic resources for the business or individual. Assets classify into two. Number one, non-current assets or fixed assets. Number two, current assets. Further we are sub-classifying into two. One is an tangible assets, intangible assets. Let's see the classification. Non-current assets or fixed assets, usually we call this it is an long-term assets. The asset bought by the company for long-term use is called as non-current asset, usually more than 1 year. Fixed assets or non-current assets are assets that cannot be easily and readily converted into cash. Usually these assets the company or organization will not convert into cash easily because it's going to use more number of years. Land, building, machinery, equipments, patents, trademarks are example of non-current assets or fixed assets because these are the assets the organization will use more number of years. Next we'll see current assets. Current assets usually we call this short-term assets because we will convert into cash within a year. We'll see the meaning. Current assets are assets that can be easily converted into cash, typically within a year. Current assets are also termed liquid assets or short-term assets. So these assets easily convert into cash. I will see the example of current assets. Cash, cash equivalents, short-term deposits, accounts receivable, inventory, marketable securities, office suppliers. So these are the few example of current assets. Now we will see tangible assets. Tangible assets usually having physical existence. We'll see the meaning. Tangible assets are assets with physical existence. We can touch, feel and see them. Example, land, building, machinery, equipments, cash, inventory are the tangible assets. So these are the assets have a physical existence. Now we will see intangible assets. Intangible assets usually not having physical existence like tangible assets. Now we'll see the meaning. Intangible assets are assets that not having physical existence. Example of intangible assets includes goodwill, patents, brand, copyrights, trademarks, ideas and knowledge not having any physical existence. For example, goodwill is a good name of the business. The good name will generate more income for the business, but the good name not having any physical existence. Hope you understood this concept. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.